something different today. We are doing Pokemon. There was no, what's it called? No Champions Path, but I think this is the next best set to get currently, so we're just gonna dig right in. Let's see, Feebas, Passimian, Fletchling, Wimpod, Grimer, reverse foil Lunatone, a foil Tyranitar. Right, that's hollow foil, right? I don't know. Looks pretty nice though. Energy, Laron, Ariados. Rookidee, Torchic, Trapinch, Jigglypuff, Ducklet, Darumaka, Klinklang, Energy, Simipour, Corvisquire, and the Lunatone we just pulled earlier, but as non-foil. Diglett, Skolvet, Shelmet, Panpour, Teddiursa, Serena, Mew V. I had to look up this one, see how much that's worth. Duck Trio, Wimpod, Bunnelby, Toxel, Sinistea, Carablast, Turbo Patch, Dracozolt. Don't know what that is. Shelmet, Panpour, Teddiursa, Rookidee, Torchic, Suicune, reverse foil, pretty nice. Volcarona, Corona, bruh. Got me messed up. Fletchling, Mr. Mime. This is what? Galarian, Torchic, Aron, Rookidee, Tapu Koko, Scizor VMAX. Holy shit. That must be what, the secret? Is it secret? I don't know. We'll find out. That's it.